Do you want to know what is turbulent flow? Get ready to explore the world with turbulent flow.
Hi! Let's go and join with me to discover more about science. In this video, we will going to talk about flow, specifically turbulence flow. But first, what is turbulent flow? Turbulent flow is a fluid motion characterized by chaotic change in pressure and flow velocity. It is in contrast to the laminar flow, which occurs within a fluid in a parallel layers with no disruption between those layers. Turbulent flow is caused by excessive kinetic energy in parts of fluid flow, which overcomes the damping effect of fluid viscosity. For this reason, turbulence is commonly realized in low viscosity fluids.
Do you know that the turbulent flow has four characteristics? Number 1, irregularity. The flow is characterized by the irregular movement of particles of the fluid. The movement of fluid particles is chaotic. For this reason, turbulent flow is normally treated statistically rather than deterministically. Number 2, diffusibility. In turbulent flow, a fairly flat velocity distribution exists across the section of the pipe. The result is that the entire fluid flows at a given single value and drops rapidly, extremely close to the walls. Number 3, rotationality. Turbulent flow is characterized by a strong three-dimensional vortex generation mechanism. This mechanism is known as vortex friction. Number 4, dissipation. A dissipative process is a process in which the kinetic energy of the turbulent flow is transformed into internal energy by viscous shear stress.
One of the defining characteristics of turbulent flow is that it consists of many interacting swirls or fluid, also called as eddies or vortices.
Turbulent flow type of fluid, gas or liquid flow in which the fluid undergoes irregular fluctuation or mixing, in contrast to laminar flow, in which the fluid move in smooth paths or layers. In turbulent flow, the speed of the fluid at a point is continuously undergoing changes in both magnitude and direction. The flow of winds and rivers is generally turbulent in this sense. Even if the currents are gentle, the air or water swirls and eddies while its overall bulk moves along a specific direction.
A jar filled with water. And now, let us transfer this water into an empty glass. We see that the water particles move in an irregular manner inside the glass. This happens till we continue pouring the water from the jar. And such an irregular movement of the water particles is known as the turbulent flow. Did you know that the air flowing in and out of your lungs is turbulent? The blood pumping through your aorta is turbulent also. This is why, in our everyday lives, most fluid flow is turbulent. The atmosphere near the surface of the earth is turbulent, as is the airflow in and around cumulus and cumulonimbus clouds. In fact, modeling shows that turbulent flow plays an essential role in the formation of raindrops, so turbulence literally makes it rain.